Alright, this is a little test to see if I have rod knock. What I've done is taken my spark plug out, turn the crank till the piston was at top dead center, then turn it past top dead center to where the piston is going on its downstroke. And when it does that, if the bearing's bad, it'll leave a gap on the top of where the bearing would be at. And when you push down on the piston, it'll wiggle down, and that causes a knocking sound. I've done this a couple times, and I've heard a knock, so I'm pretty positive that this is the third piston that's knocking. It's on its downstroke right now, so we're going to push gently on the top of the piston, and if this shoots down, which it shouldn't, these are both on their downstroke, so this is a good example. I push down on it, nothing. Solid. This one, on the same downstroke, pushing down on it, there it goes. You hear that knock? That's where my rod knock is. That's the problem. And it's going to be a pain in the butt to fix.